Hey y'all! So we are doing some final touches in the room today. Y'all, I am almost there. Like, my room is really coming together. I did do a lot of things off camera last week. I will show you guys. I think I'm just gonna wait till like the big reveal and do a classroom tour for you all to see what my room looks like. But while I was at home, I went ahead and printed off some other things that I plan to put up. So, hold on, I'll show y'all. So I already put this up that says book bags. I am gonna move it just a little bit to center it. And then I have two crates that I'm gonna use for lunches. So I'm gonna like kind of hot glue this on both crates after I clean them. So I had this up here and I was gonna just write in the Chromebook care things, but then I was at home and I wanted to go ahead and get it done and I didn't have markers or this with me. So I just went ahead and printed one that actually goes with the theme. So I'm gonna put that right up here. And when the Chromebook card comes, I'm actually gonna put it like right here in that area. Hey y'all, we are back in the classroom. Today is Tuesday. Today we are basically set up. We are just gonna focus on going ahead and getting this library together. Y'all, my summer school friends really helped me to go ahead and set that up, but I do have this blue crate here. Can y'all see that? This blue crate here of books that still need to be scanned in. I am using BookSource this year. Shout out to Donalyn Miller, because when I was reading Wild Readers, that book, well, I feel like it's a different title. I'll put the title down here. But when I was reading that text, I heard her mention using BookSource as a way, one, for students to see what's in the library. Sometimes looking at a library can just be intimidating for students, so they can search different type of books or look at different genres, and then they can also leave reviews which stay in BookSource. So each year that you have your library or you have certain titles, students can review them and they can see the reviews from past years. So I'm gonna put these books into BookSource and then I'm gonna get them sorted into my bins. All right, y'all, so I did want to show you the BookSource app. As you can see, I have clicked the app on my phone and I am literally just scanning the barcode on the books. It automatically generates the book title. All I have to do is press add to library. There are a few books in my library that did not automatically add, and you're going to see me going ahead and manually looking up the ISBN number and adding those to my library as well. So I did want to go ahead and show you guys as well how to add the books that don't show up. So I literally just type in the name of the book and ISBN. And then I make sure the one that I copy has the right author, paste it in there to add books, and literally that is it. I make sure it's the right book and the right author, and then we are good to go. All right, y'all, so I did want to show y'all what I have been doing with the library. So of course I am separating them by genre, and what you will notice now is that I have put like these little numbers on each genre, and then I just went in and for each of the books went ahead and added the number there, so my librarian will easily know where the books go. So like the number on the genre is the same as the number on the book. Y'all, here is the library completed. As I told you guys before, I put the sticker that matches the bin on the book, so my librarian will know exactly where things go. I also kept this over here, and I just really quickly kind of put this together, the librarian's toolkit. What does the librarian do? And then shows them, which is what I really want the librarian to focus on, is making sure the books on BookSource have their genres. So I gave them like clear directions to be able to do that. So I am super excited about this library, you guys. It looks so neat. Usually I have absolutely no organization to my library. Now, y'all, this is Miss Shame's library, usually. How my picture books are. Like, it's just, there's no order, there's no rhyme or reason. It's just books and bins, and maybe hopefully kids will find what they like. But over here we see a lot of organization and just more intentionality with the books. So for example, if they want like an adventure text, or if they want to read like a scary story, or maybe they want to read like a biography or something informational, just allowing students to be able to find what it is that they want in a book. I am super excited about this. Y'all, this took time, but I think it will be worth it. All right, y'all. So it is about 4:30 and I am heading out. I was able to label all of the chapter books, so I am super excited about that. I'm super excited about using Booksource and really allowing students to be able to see what's in the library and to pick books that are just right for them. So I'm super duper excited about that, you guys. And I'm just super excited about this school year. I know learning has been interrupted and there's been so much learning loss and all these buzzwords, but being able to welcome students into my classroom, and even though it might look a little bit different, giving them that opportunity to be physically in school, creating this space where we can just learn and grow together. So I am super excited, you guys. Stay tuned for my classroom reveal. I will be doing that pretty soon, so look out for that. I love you guys. Thank you for being a part of the Mindset family, and I will see you next time.